All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are resuming the docket. This court is calling Jesse Lee Davis, case number SP 134-45091. Jesse Lee Davis, no insurance. Count 2 of that same ticket, driver's license suspended. Both matters are set for trial. Mr. Jesse Lee Davis, if you're present in the courtroom, please say your name for the record.
Jesse Lee Davis.
Thank you. And Mr. Davis, you are in person in the 36th District Court because you had no ability to connect by Zoom, and it was a trial date. And so you were requested to appear in person. Is that right?
Yes.
All right, sir. The officer for this matter is Officer Tremblay. Officer Tremblay, your appearance for the record and your badge number, please.
Yes, ma'am. Officer Tyler Tremblay with the 7th Precinct, badge 3546.
Thank you, Officer Tremblay, for being here. And for the record, Ms. Soroki, your appearance for Mr. Davis.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Mr. Davis. At this time,
Go ahead. I was going to ask you how Mr. Davis is proceeding.
the people have made a recommendation to my client, Your Honor. At this time, he's waiving the rights, asking the court to adopt the same.
What would that offer be?
He plead to one count of failed to display a valid license. The original count is dismissed and the second matter is dismissed.
Okay, so the matter that he's pleading to, would that be count 2, driver's license suspended?
Correct.
And the people are dismissing count 1, no insurance, correct?
Correct.
Officer Tremblay, were you aware of this offer?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you fine with it, or do you wish to be heard?
I'm fine with it.
All right, then you may disconnect, Officer Tremblay. Thank you for being here.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you, sir. Mr. Davis, you have heard the representation of your lawyer. Are you in agreement with that representation?
Yes.
Mr. Davis, were you advised of your right to a trial?
Yes.
Sir, if you were to have a trial, normally it would take place inside the 36th District Court. You would normally be able to appear on Zoom, but because of your inability to connect on Zoom, you are in person inside the 36th District Court. Is that right, sir?
Yes.
But did you have an opportunity to speak to your attorney about your rights today?
No.
You did not? Pardon? Ms. Soroki? Ms. Soroki didn't tell you what your rights are?
I haven't talked to anyone.
Okay,
Mr. Davis, I did speak with you when you were in the courtroom.
But if I'm on the screen here.
Yes.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
did you understand your rights?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, we just want to make sure that you're doing this voluntarily, sir. We want to make sure that you're doing this voluntarily. Okay, Mr. Davis, did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are in fact guilty?
Yes.
And sir, do you understand that by pleading guilty, you are waiving or giving up your right to a trial?
Yes.
All right, Mr. Davis, please raise your right hand, sir, and be sworn. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give is the truth to the best of your knowledge and belief?
Yes.
Davis, you may lower your hand. On the date, the time, and the location indicated in the ticket ending in 45092, were you driving a motor vehicle in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Who stopped by a police officer?
Yes.
An officer asked you for a valid driver's license.
Yes.
Were you able to show that officer a valid driver's license?
No.
Ms. Soroki, are you satisfied?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
The court will accept the guilty plea, being satisfied with the factual basis. We will also accept the recommendation to dismiss the remaining charge previously read into the record. Your fine is $240, $45 mandatory reinstatement, a total of $285. 30 days is the time frame for payment. Are you able to pay that amount within 30 days, Mr. Davis?
Yes.
All right, sir, you can pay online on the 36districtcourt.org website, on the DivDat app, or in person on the first floor of the courthouse at the pay window. Any questions, Mr. Davis?
No.
All right, sir, you may leave the hearing at this time. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay, Judge, it's an officer out in the hall, so we call his case.
Yes. Who is,
I'll go get him. What, that last one was as charged?
No, the last one, he pled to count 2 to failure to display.
failure to display? I think, did I say that? If
Yeah,
I didn't, it should be a failure to display amended.
I got it.
right.
Okay, regarding the ticket the officer's here on, I don't have an offer yet, so you can go get them, but.
All right, I'm gonna leave the live stream.